Fine, now let us start working on problem number 18. Right, what is the decimal value of 1 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 50 plus 1 by 500 plus 1 by 5000 is equal to? Right, this is what we need to find. Let us check out 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is nothing but 0.2, right? 0.2 or what? Let us check out 1. Let me divide by 5. I can't divide this. I'll put, so point here, 0.0 is 2, right? 10. So now what happens here? 1 plus, right? So this is nothing but 0.2 plus 1 by 50, that is nothing but 0.02 plus 1 by 500, 0.002 plus 1 by 5000, that is 0.0002. This is what we need to add it here. So it's nothing but 1.2, right? Then 2. Then 2, then 2. This is what the answer is. Right? Let us check out 1.0000, right? 0.2, then 0.02, and 0.002, and 0.0002. Now 0, 0. It doesn't have any value after the decimal point. So then you can add it. That is nothing but 2, 2, 1. This is what the answer is.